Welcome. If you've ever wanted to add friends to your Messenger group without the hassle of inviting them one by one, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to share your group invite link on Messenger using the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're planning an event, organizing a study group, or just want to chat with more people, this quick guide will make things super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen, where you can see all your conversations. Next, scroll through your chats and find the group you want to invite people to. Once you've found it, tap and hold on the group chat. This will bring up a menu with several options. Now, tap on the group's name at the very top of the screen. This will take you to the group's settings page, where you can see all the details about your group, including the list of members and various customization options. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Invitation Link. Tap on it. Here, Messenger will show you a unique link that anyone can use to join your group instantly. To share this link, simply tap the Share button. A menu will pop up, letting you choose where you want to send the link. You can share it directly in another Messenger chat, post it in a Facebook group, send it via email, or even copy the link to share anywhere you like. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can invite anyone to join your Messenger group using a simple link. No more manual invites or searching for usernames. Just share the link and let your friends join in. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.